Hello dear students, how are you? Fine? Preparing well? Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are studying electric charges and fields, NCERT text. Okay? Again today we will discuss a theory. The question is, write differences between electric field due to point charge and electric field due to electric dipole. In short, we have to differentiate electric fields due to a point charge and an electric dipole. Okay? Now, in most of the books, okay, and even in some pamphlets of the teachers, they directly list the points, but that is not the right way, because in that case you have to remember it. Okay, sometimes learn by heart. Okay, so it will be difficult. Physics is a subject of figures. Okay, draw figures so that it will be easy for you to write the points. Okay, so we know, see, this is electric field due to point charge, this is electric field due to electric dipole. Okay, now for point charge, electric field lines are radial and outwards if it is positive. For negative charge, point charge negative, okay, the electric field lines are radial and inward. Okay, now these are the field lines of electric dipole. Electric dipole means a system consisting of two equal and opposite charges placed at a finite distance to it. Okay, so field lines will go from plus q to minus q. Okay, but they never intersect. Okay, keep in mind, never intersect. Okay, this is the distance to it. Okay, there will be a question in your mind that the question is about electric field and I have drawn electric field lines, because electric field is represented by electric field lines. Okay, now it is very easy to write points. Now see, first it is radial. Okay, here it is not radial. Okay, there is nothing like center. Okay, there are two charges at some different points. Okay, rather it is not the field lines is not circular, in other words. Okay, third, it decreases according to 1 upon r square. Okay, where r is the distance from point charge. See, this was the equation of magnitude for electric field due to a point charge. Okay, q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. We can draw a figure like this. Okay, so electric field decreases according to 1 upon r square. Okay, but in case of electric dipole, only at large distances, okay, decreases according to 1 upon r cube. Decreases according to 1 upon r cube only at large distances. Here, what was r? R was the distance of a point from point charge. Here, what is r? R is a distance from center of the electric dipole. That is midpoint actually. That is not center like circle. Okay, it is a center, but it is the other name is midpoint. Okay. See, we can write like this: E on axis at large distances equals to 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, if you remember, where p equals to q into 2a. And for E on equatorial line at large distances, it is equal to p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. These equations can be derived. Okay, so use this reference. Okay, not needed to write in this topic, but see, E on x is the topic. The equation was 2kpr upon r square minus a square whole square p cap. If r is too large, we can neglect a square. In that case, r square minus a square will be equal to r square. So this will be r square and square of it, that is r raised to 4, and 1 r will be cancelled. So it will be 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, where k equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Similarly, for equatorial line, it is minus kp upon bracket r square plus a square bracket complete raised to 3 by 2 p cap. If r is too far, r square plus a square can be written as r square. Okay, in that case, r square, square root of it will be r, and cube of it, so it will be p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, where k is written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. In short, for a point like charge, electric field will reduce or decrease according to 1 upon r square. For electric dipole, it will reduce according to 1 upon r cube. Here r is the distance of a point from point charge. Here r is the distance of a point from midpoint of the electric dipole. The other name of midpoint is center. Okay. The fourth point is electric field lines are straight. See here, they are straight. Okay, in point charge. But here only straight lines we can see on axis. Okay, these lines are not straight. So only electric field lines on axis are straight. Okay, and the fifth point is actually we will discuss in next chapter. It is about electric potential. Okay, the formula for point charge, it is V equals to KQ by R. So from these you can conclude that only electric potential at infinite distances is zero, because V equals to KQ by R. So if R is infinity, V is zero. But for this, okay, electric potential at all the points on equatorial line is zero. Okay, that we will derive in next chapter. Okay.